I wasn't a very clean guy. Here's one thing. This may not sound a big deal, but it really is. Like, so early on in my marriage, my wife's like super clean. I didn't even see the dirtiness. I didn't even see it. I was so used to like my mom do it, picking it up after me. Like, it was oblivious to me. Like, she's like, "How do you not see the stuff on the floor?" I eventually had to work through like what this was and why I didn't see it, and this was one of these renewing my thoughts. Now I'm like a super clean freak. I see everything, and it's improved, our relationship. And that's so I get purpose every morning, getting up and doing the dishes, the clean sink, knowing that my wife, because I love her so much, that she doesn't have to do that. You know what I mean? Like, I started helping out in schools. Occasionally, I'll pick up a substitute teacher shift. Um, because my business has gone more online, and sometimes I have some downtime. Like, I find purpose, and I'm sharing these. Like, I find purpose in just going and substituting for a class and being with kids. What's cool about it, like, you see how stressful and hard teaching is. I can just bounce out, do it for a day, but like, that gives me some drive and some purpose. So I'm sharing all these things, like I said, because it doesn't always have to be monumental. Like, you start a career and become an entrepreneur and start a business. It could be something small as like doing the dishes when you don't want to, because your loved one is tired. It could be something purposeful as, yes, volunteering, substitute teaching. It could be connected with your pain or trauma and starting a nonprofit.